explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces, and will help you understand it step by step. You'll get to see model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. These interactive tools will help you see how shapes work and how to calculate their areas in real-world situations. This is a space where you can ask questions, try new things, and learn in a fun way. Are you ready to discover how awesome math can be? Let's get started.
All right, you welcome to the Math Clinic once again. And this is a space where you can ask questions. You can go under the comment section and ask your question on plane shape. We are going to work on square now. And of course, don't forget, rectangle, square, circle, they are all plane shape, or we call them plane measuration, or we call them two-dimensional shape. Let's see square, for instance. A square has four sides, and all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. Now, let us assume each of these sides is called L. That means this is what? L. This is also what? L. This is also what? L. This is also L, which is length. Don't forget, we have to look for the perimeter. We are looking at the perimeter of this square. We are looking at the perimeter of this square. In looking at the perimeter, we said it is the measurement of the outside boundaries of any shape. That is what we call perimeter. Now, in looking at the measurement of the outside boundaries of this now, it means the L plus L plus L plus L. So that means L plus L plus L plus what? Plus L. This is what? 4L. So that means perimeter of a square is what? Is 4L. Is 4L. Now let's move to area. If you are looking for the area of a square is just like when we do, like I said, every rectangle is a square, but not all squares are what? Are rectangle. Now when we look at it now, for all these now, we want to look for, when we are looking for the areas of a rectangle, we said it is length multiplied by breadth. This time around now, for the square too, it will be L multiplied by L. So that means the area here now is what? Is L multiplied by L. And when you go to your algebra, when we say L multiplied by L, when you go to your algebra, that is L to the power of what? To the power of 2. That is L squared. Now let's see an example. Let us assume we are given a square that has the length as what? As 5 centimeters. So that means if this one is 5 centimeters, since all these four sides are equal, this is also 5 centimeters, this is also 5 centimeters, this is also 5 centimeters. So let's look at the perimeter now. The perimeter of this now will be equals 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So when you add all these together, 5 plus 5 plus 5, that will give us 20 centimeters. So that is the perimeter. Now let's go to the area. The areas of this now, that become, don't forget that area is L multiplied by L, which is the same thing as well, L squared. So let's go to this now. Great. So that will be 5 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters. So 5 multiplied by 5, that is what? 25 centimeter square, because centimeter multiplied by centimeter is what? Is square. So that means the unit of area is what? Is centimeter what? Is square. Unit of area is what? Is square. Now, you see that when I got the perimeter here, I didn't use formula. Let us assume I want to use the formula 4L. It will just be the perimeter now. The perimeter now will be equals 4L. Let's see if it's going to be equals to this. So that is 4. What is our L? Our L is 5 centimeters. So 4 multiplied by 5 centimeters, that is 20 centimeters. You can see that this and this is equals to each other. Of course, when we look at this now, we have used our hands to do this calculation. We want to use PhET simulation developed by University of Colorado to cross-check if we are going to get the same thing. And of course, if you get the same thing, that means you can be using your first simulation to play a game on your own at home. So let's see that now.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mathematics Clinic, where learning math is fun, exciting, and easy to understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces, and we'll help you understand it step by step. You'll get to see model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. These interactive tools will help you see how shapes work and how to calculate their areas in real-world situations. This is a space where you can ask questions, try new things, and learn in a fun way. Are you ready to discover how awesome math can be? Let's get started.
You welcome back to our first simulation module, where we'll be using first simulation to confirm what we have calculated with our hands. So let's see this now. You remember when we use our hand, we use 5. So let's build an area that the L will be 5 and 5. So let's see that now. So let's see that. So we are trying to build it now, which is going to be 5, and everything will be 5. You can see I'm building this on my own now. Building, as you can see, as I was building this, if you look up here, you see that it is giving me the area. So let's continue in our building. Don't get distracted. Just keep building. Keep building, keep building, keep building, keep building, keep building. Okay, it's already 5 units now. Let's look at it again from here. Let's keep building, let's keep building. Wow, it's now 5 by 5. So what shape is this? Great, this is a what? A square. So if you look at it now, the area is what? Is 25, and the perimeter is what? Is 20. So let's play a game with this now. Which level are you starting from? Let's start from level 1. Okay, this is trying to tell me to build an area with what? With 16. Areas of 16. What could that be? Great, that could be 4 by 4. That could be 4 by 4. Is that correct? Let's check that if it's going to be equal. Okay, 4 by 4. Correct. Of course, you can have this on your mommy's phone. You can use this on your parent phone or your guardian phone. Just tell them to log into PhET, phet.colorado.edu. That is where you can have access to area builder developed by University of Colorado. This is how far we can go. Okay, let me give you this. Maybe when else you log in on your mommy's phone or your guardian's phone, you can build area on your own. Let's look at this. 24. Can we build 24? Can we build 24? Can we build 24? Okay. Let's see. Can we build 24? Area has 24. Area has 24. What would that be? Great. 6 multiplied by 4. Can that be? Okay, so let's check that now. Is that correct? Correct. So try and build this one on your own, on your mommy's phone, and put your answer on the comment section. This is how far we can go on our mathematics clinic on Square. This is how far we can go on our mathematics clinic on Square.
Hi everyone, welcome to the mathematics.
If you are just joining us for the first time, this is Mathematics Clinic. You can try, like this video, share this video with others, and make sure, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you get notification anytime we get into our Mathematics Clinic. Once again, thank you. My name is Kayode Adewale, your Mathematics Clinic doctor.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mathematics Clinic, where learning math is fun, exciting, and easy to understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces, and we'll help you understand it step by step. You'll get to see model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares, rectangles, circles,